Okay, this is flying high over a couple hundred feet over Merritt Island, Intercoastal waterways. Now we're getting on the beach. Crazy looking shack right here. Look at the shack place. There's people out here on the beach, hanging out. There's a boat. There's a bigger boat. This boat's moving. Intercoastal waterways. Yeah, there we go. Intercoastal waterways. Where exactly? We're a couple hundred feet over the top of Merritt Island right here. I can't tell you exactly where, altitude, longitude, latitude. We've got it all recorded, but it's not a part of the video. And that water is beautiful. You know, it's like the kind of water you look at and you go, man, look at that water. Other times, you're just like, oh, okay. I've seen it before. But where in the world do you see this kind of view above Merritt Island with the intercoastal waterways? Dare I say that's kind of dope? From a drone, a couple hundred feet up in the air. Let's start again. We're backing up. You are now watching a waterway, intercoastal, manatees all over and whatnot. Who stays there? Like, is that a bar? Is that somebody's crib? Is that somebody's Airbnb? I don't know. It's wider over there than it is there. There's no Pacific in sight. This is all Atlantic, intercoastal waterways. It's different rivers mixing with the ocean. Got like the Banana River, Lake Mary. I can't point out which one is which, but that looks like the ocean. That looks like my desktop. Because it is, of course, a desktop. Oh, now we're back to moving again. Gee, pilot, where are we gonna go? Same place we always go. Above the ground. So, yeah. This is Merritt Island. There's the beach right there. That's all Atlantic right there. And then it fades into one of the rivers. Maybe that's the Banana River. Maybe that's the St. John's. Maybe it's Cocoa Beach on one side and Cocoa City on the other. I don't know. For I am not a tourist guide. But that's as much of the intercoastal waterways as I can show you for today. Peace.